Okay, time to take a look at the VCK PTC space heater. Okay, so we do have a remote. We got mode, timer, oscillate, sound, lights, power lock, up and down. And it looks like it comes with a battery in it, so you just got to pull that tab out and that activates the remote. This is nice. Got some simple instructions right there on the top. Looks like it does have a little handle right there, so you can carry that thing around easily. And then the base, it's like two pieces that just kind of lock together. There we go. So the cable will sit in this track and then shoot out the back. So it's kind of nice that they did that, just because that way they can make the base a little bit bigger, so this will be a little bit more stable. With as tall as this thing is, that's actually a really good idea. So right now it says 68 degrees, which does match what my thermostat says, so that's good. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So right now we're at low. Change the mode. We got high and eco. So high is just going to use the highest amount of amps. Low is going to use the lower amount of amps, but still being able to provide heat. And then eco is going to swap between the two to make sure that you got the correct temperature without using a whole lot of power. So nice that they got that. And then we got just fan. So if you want to use this just as a fan, got that as an option. So we can increase the temperature that we want it to be. I'm going to set this to, we'll say 71 degrees. And we'll hit oscillate to make it so this guy will move. Always nice having an oscillating fan, because that means it's going to move around and it's going to heat up the entire room all at once instead of just heating up the spot that's right in front of it. And already I can feel quite a bit of heat coming out of this. It does have a fan, so it's just heating up the element inside and then pushing the heat through. I'm going to change this to high. Yeah, so I can definitely feel the heat in here already. Let's see how the remote works. So we got lights. Oh, hey, that's cool. So there's a little light on the base. That's neat, so you can kind of use this as a little night light. It also helps to make sure that you don't kick it in the middle of the night, so you know exactly where this thing is. So that's cool. Turn off the sound. There we go. So you don't have that beeping going on. I kind of like having the beep. We turn off the oscillate. We got a timer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got up to a 12-hour timer, which is great. So if we set this to 8 hours and then we go to bed, we don't even have to worry about it. After 8 hours, we can just wake up, go to work, and it will automatically shut off. So always nice having that option. And we got a lock so that we don't accidentally adjust it in the middle of the night. And we're up to 69, so this should have tip-over protection. Let's check that. Yep, sure does. So you can see it is counting down. So what that is going to do is it's going to continue pushing the fan air through it to make sure that the element cools down, but it's turned off the element, so that way if you put this in the garage with a dog and the dog knocks it over, you don't have to worry about it making a fire. So that is awesome. It is always good to have safety on your heater. And it looks like there's a spot up here for the remote whenever you're done with it. So that's pretty cool. So let's turn the oscillate back on. Yeah, it is really making this room nice and cozy right now. And I like that that light on the bottom is a warm light too, so it actually makes the room feel a little bit more cozy as well. So I got it all the way up to 74 degrees in this room, and it feels like it is nice and cozy in here, and there's still plenty of heat coming off of here. I even got an eco, and we still got a little bit of heat, so this is a very nice space heater. I am very happy with that.